Hello, this video tutorial is to assist you in finding the mean, median, and mode using a TI-83 or TI-84 graphing calculator. Please note that the mean, median, and mode are also known as measures of central tendency. First, let's start out with a random data set. This particular random data set are just a list of 8 numbers that I choose to select, and we're going to input these numbers in. To input, go to Stat, make sure you use Edit and Enter, and notice how the numbers are already in. To secure each number, simply type them in and then hit Enter. For this particular case, to find the mean, median, and mode, we're going to use Stat key again. Use your right arrow key to go to Calculate. You're going to use one variable stat, which is option 1. A good way of remembering this is that you used one list, hence one variable. Hit Enter, and depending on which version of the calculator you have, you can just hit Enter. But for this particular version of the TI-84, make sure that your frequency list is clear. Again, if you're using a TI-83, which is an older version, go to Stat, right key to Calculate, Enter for one variable stats, and then Enter again. For the more modern ones or up-to-date ones, make sure you have one variable stats and your list is under L1. Use your down arrow key to calculate, and voila, you have the numbers that you need. The mean, which is also known as your average, will always be indicated by X bar, whether it's for a sample mean or a population mean. Again, the mean will always be represented by X bar. Use your down arrow key until you see the abbreviation for median, which is MED. The median, by definition, would be the middle number of all your data sets once your numbers are arranged in order from least to greatest. For the calculator, you do not have to arrange the numbers in order. The calculator already computes it for you. So your median is 14. Using your up arrow key again for X bar, you have a mean of 15.25. But for your mode, the calculator does not compute that. Note that by definition, the mode is the number that appears the most. To look back at your data set, hit Stat again, Enter for data, and then Edit. You may notice that the number that appears the most is 13. Hence, your mode is 13. Once again, the mode is the number that appears the most, and you now have the mode is 13. Again, the calculator does not compute that. To find the mean, use your right arrow key to calculate, one variable stats, down arrow key, and then hit Enter. X bar would be your mean. Use your down arrow key again, find the abbreviation for median, which is MED. This now concludes our video tutorial of finding the mean, median, and mode using the TI-83 or TI-84.